my god, it's too hard to open. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Aasha, and again I'm back with a new video, and today I am back with the unboxing video. So I am doing this ring light unboxing, and this is my first video of unboxing. I hope you will enjoy and you will like this video. And now I am going to start to unbox this one. Okay, let's start. I don't have the scissor. I need to bring the scissors. Or should I use my hand only? Okay, I'm using my hand only. Oh, I don't think it's possible. It's too big to open with hand. Oh. Okay, let me bring scissor and I will come. Okay. Is my scissor here or not? Cameraman, where is our scissor? Okay, let me bring scissor and I will come back. Okay, I got my scissor with a key, and this is my house key. Okay, let me open this one. Oh, it's cutting. Okay. The packets is too big for this scissor to cut, but also I am cutting this one. Okay. अनि यो रिङ लाइट चाहिँ मैले दराज एपबाट मगाएको हो. दराज एपबाट मैले 4 दिन अगाडि मगाएको थिएँ, एन्ड नाउ इट्स फाइनली हियर. Oh. First cover out. Okay, I'm going to clear this one. This is how I open gifts. Oh my god, it's too hard to open. Okay, I have this packet. Let me get this here. And this one. Oh, we get headphone also. Headphone. Okay, nice. Really? Okay. Second cover out. This is how I threw. Okay, let me clean this up. And let's open this one. Okay, this one is the gift is. Okay. Today in my camera, I have my brother as a cameraman. And thank you for being such a nice cameraman. This is a headphone, yes? I think, yeah. पर्काउनुको कसलाई मजा लाग्छ? एकछिन भएर पर्काउनु पर्छ, मजा आउँछ. Okay. This one is my headphone that I got from Daraz, and this one is free gift. If you buy ring light, you will get this one. And wow, I can use this as a microphone. Yes, so this. Can I use this one as a microphone? Yeah, we can use this. I will see its feature later, what I can use this for. And this one is very nice. Okay, now my ring light, and I think this one is a tripod. And I'm opening this one also. my god. I think I need to use scissor to open this one. Yeah. This one is my tripod and it's 7 feet tall. Okay. Here is my tripod. How to open this one? Okay, I'll see it after some time. Okay, this one is tripod, and now ring light. It's written LED filling lamp. Okay, it's filling lamp. The beauty live ring light. It's written outside. Let's see inside what we find inside. But how to open this one? Okay, this one is my ring light. This one. Okay. We have this one. And this one. Okay, I will meet you after arranging these things. Okay, see you soon. Okay, this one is my ring light and I have already set it up, and now I am going to turn it on. Okay. This ring light have 3 modes, and that is first one was that one, and this one, and this one. And you can increase the light also, intensity of the light. Okay, this one. Okay, in this way you can increase the intensity of the light. But is it increasing? Yeah. Okay, and here I have my mobile. I have already. Oh, my mobile don't know my password. What to do? Why it is not recognizing my hand? Okay, let me put the password. Okay, it's like this, and you can flame. Okay, I will keep this down and I will try to flame. Okay, this is my ring light, and this is how I look with this light. Okay, this is going to be my setup for making videos, and I can change the mode also. And okay, this one is the another mode. And this one I can use for clicking some photos. Okay, and this one I can use for flaming, and I can increase the intensity of the light from this bottom. There is up bottom. Okay, and there is also a down bottom, you can see here. And I'm so happy that I have got it finally after the wait of so many months and so many days. And this one is another thing that I have got from Daraz, and this one is, I think, as a gift, or you get free if you buy the ring light. And thank you so much for watching my video, and I will meet you in next video. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And जतिजनाले मेरो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुभएको छैन, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you like the unboxing of ring light. And